Hi, I'm Deepak Vishweshwaraya, Senior Vice President and Managing Director for Pega Systems in India. And with me here today is Smriti Mathur, who is the Vice President of our people teams, for people function for that matter. So today, PegaInnovate 2025 is a milestone that we are celebrating. It's an event that we are hosting here, which is a culmination of about 1,500 of our customers and partners coming together to be able to look at and understand in a deeper fashion the innovations that we build all through the year. These innovations are in the form of technology advancements, whether it has to do with our low-code, no-code platform as such, what we refer to as Pega Infinity, which is a AI-driven platform to really solve any AI enterprise transformation as such. Now, we've built in a lot of features functionalities that includes generative AI, as well as agentic AI capabilities that we have demonstrated all day long. We have various booths and breakout sessions that go deeper into these conversations with a lot of our customers and partners. On the heels of this event today, we've also made a couple of announcements, which I would like Smriti to cover in terms of the couple of initiatives that we are announcing today.
So, sir, any visionary keynotes of the top leaders?
Absolutely. We actually did. I personally did a keynote this morning at the event. We actually also had Vijay Subramanian, who is the managing director for Verizon, one of our bigger customers. He actually did a keynote as well. We also actually had a blueprint demo on the keynote that showed up the innovation on the main stage. As well as we had a keynote panel discussion on the main stage, including leaders from our customers like Lloyd's Bank, or our partners in terms of ASEA, and Unilever, for that matter. These are some of the people who represented their organizations on the stage in the keynotes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'll let Smriti cover the announcements that we have made today.
Smriti Mathur, and very excited to talk about this event, PegaInnovate. I think it reaffirms our commitment in terms of making sure that the skill gap that we're seeing in the industry is taken care of. We are committed to upskilling, we're committed to reskilling, and we're also committed to cross-skilling. I think the programs that we have, our flagship University Academy program that has brought more than 10,000 graduates, is a huge wave and a huge validation for us to build from here. We kicked off internship immersions so that students who are in the engineering year whether third year, fourth year, are able to take real life experiences, real life challenges from the industry, take the certifications from Pega, take the course credits, and apply that knowledge in the real world, because we believe it's not just about the certification but also application of it. Today we launched something very exciting. We launched our partnership with a Hyderabad-based edutech company called SmartBridge, which helps us in putting these internship offerings on a virtual platform so that we can scale up and amplify the experiences students can take in the colleges. They can take up more projects, they can take up mock interviews or mock mentorship as we go forward. So very, very excited to scale our efforts from UAP to UAP immersion to now setting up virtual internships on this platform, and very, very excited about it. The other thing that Deepak, our managing director, launched earlier this morning is Expert Circles, which is actually giving back to our clients and partners. We have an AI innovation center here in Hyderabad, and I think what we're going to do here now is provide monthly connects with our clients and partners on our AI, on our blueprints, on our applications that we are really seeing will help us catalyze from where we are and where we need to be as an industry. So really, really excited. Thank you.
Thank you.